Today we are going to talk about the most critical aspect of human beings, that is about the human mind. We know that is the most important aspect of a human being. What makes a human being unique on earth is his mind and its unique faculties. Mind facilitates higher emotions, higher qualities, higher experiences of human being. Mind is the root cause for all our experiences, illnesses, sadness, sorrow, happiness, joy. All experiences mind facilitates. That is why mind is the most important aspect of human being. What makes human being very unique is the mind. In common parlance, we know that mind means the non-physical aspect of human being. We know that human being means not body alone. He has something very unique, something more than his body, a non-physical aspect of it. That is the mind. In short, every experience, every higher quality, every higher emotions we feel with the help of mind, we feel at the level of mind. The quality of our life depends upon the quality of our mind, means the way we think, feel, and behave. We know that though mind is very critical in our lives, still it is a very elusive subject. Many people define or describe mind in different ways, in different contexts. This is a very commonly used term for everybody. Every day we use the term mind in many times, many occasions, but in different contexts. Therefore, there is lack of clarity. It is an elusive subject. Conventional science is based on Newtonian physics and materialistic or reductionistic in nature, including the mind science or psychology or other disciplines of psychology or behavioral sciences. See, psychology defines mind as a product of brain, and it looks at mind in a very narrow way as a offshoot or product of our brain. But the neuroscientist describes mind as uh, brain in action. This is also a very narrow-minded definition of mind. It doesn't talk about various higher qualities of mind, higher emotions of mind, higher experiences of mind. On the other hand, the modern body mind scientists, they think that mind is a spiritual entity on its own. They describes mind in a broader sense, and to the extent they say that body is the manifestation of our mind. Still, in spite of all these description about mind by different schools of thought, disciplines, unfortunately we do not have an exhaustive definition of mind. Even though mind is the basic fact or aspect of human being, we do not have a commonly accepted or exhaustive definition of mind. In this context, we have to mention that recently, in the year 2017, Dr. Daniel Siegel is a very famous psychiatrist and author of many books, including The Mind Site, proposed a definition of mind in a conference of world famous scientist. He proposed the definition like this: mind is an embodied and relational process that regulates the flow of information and technology. Mind is an embodied process that is embodied within us. That is, the mind becomes the body. That aspect is mentioned. And the relational process that regulates flow of information and energy within us and between human beings. Even though this definition has got more acceptability among modern scientists, this definition also has got certain limitations, in the sense it is not mentioning anything about higher faculties of mind like intention, motivation, or different parts of mind, the ability of the mind to have higher emotions like spiritual experiences, etc. As it is very essential to have clarity about mind in our journey towards spiritual development or in the process of mind engineering, we should have a primary awareness about mind. At the primary level of awareness, it should be clear to us that mind is the non-physical aspect of a human being that drives our thoughts, emotions, and behavior. Having said so, when we go deeper into the subject, we will see there are different parts of mind, different terminologies used, different functions of these different parts. We will also address the true essence of human being, that is consciousness, within which everything exists, including the mind. We will go into the details in the coming videos.